are going to show you how to get an assignment via Schoology, complete the assignment in Google Drive, and then submit it back in Schoology. So we're going to go to, as an example, an English course. This is Mrs. Albrecht's English course, but the directions are the same no matter whose course you are in. The assignment we're going to use as our example is the Mystery Detectives Handbook, which is part of our mystery novel project. So we're going to go to the mystery folder, and your teacher would have placed an assignment in a place in Schoology, and they will give you directions as to where to get that. For us, we're going to go to the mystery novel folder, and then you can see here this little icon with the paper and pencil. That's the icon for a Schoology assignment. So we're going to go ahead and click that link, and it's going to take you to a screen that appears to not say a whole lot. Here's the assignment, here's the description, the day it's due. This is where your teacher might also write additional information regarding the assignment. Be sure to read this. But the actual link to the assignment is under My Document. So you have assignment, you are going to need to click the words My Document. Now, if nothing comes up right away, it's okay. Schoology is talking to Google Drive right now and making a copy of this assignment, putting your name on it, adding it to your Google Drive, and sharing it with your teacher. So now you can see after a couple of seconds, the assignment has appeared down below in Schoology. Now, this is actually your Google Drive that you can see here on my screen. You don't want to do your work in Schoology. You actually want to do the work and the editing of this assignment in your Google Drive. So I'm going to leave here for just a moment, and I'm going to go over to Google Drive. Now, you may not see it right away. You can refresh your Google Drive, and most likely that assignment is going to be one of the most recent documents listed in your Google Drive, and you can see it right there. From here, you would do all of the editing of this assignment in Google Drive. So whatever, putting your name in, all the slides, whatever the assignment may be, filling in a chart, whatever it is, you're going to do the work inside Google Drive. When you are done and you are ready to submit your assignment, you will go back to Schoology, and let's say you're back out here in the mystery novel folder. You go back to this assignment. When it brings up your document, all the work that you did in your Google Drive will now be evident here. So you will see all the work that you have been completing in your Google Drive. But now you're ready to submit. So at this screen, you're going to click Submit, and that will allow your teacher to know you are finished and it is ready to be graded. Do not click the Submit Assignment button until all the work is complete and you are ready to have it graded. So again, we'll go over this one more time. In Schoology, when you see this screen, you actually want to go to My Document. You only have to do this one time. Once you've copied it, it is in your Google Drive. Do not keep going back into Schoology and remaking a new copy, because you're going to go, all the work I did is gone, when really you just made a new copy. That is not what you want to do. So you will do this process one time. From there on out, your assignment is in your Google Drive. When you're done and you're ready for it to be graded, you will click Submit Assignment. That is how you find, copy, and submit an assignment using Google Drive and Schoology.